And I agree with you. I think Clemson is going to be a team, and I don't have an SEC team in there.
Quarterback in the country. Can we let him play a full season?
And I expect the Clemson Tigers to be a big national contender.
Now it becomes increasingly clear that the freshmen are no longer a luxury; they're a necessity.
His left tackle, Isaiah Battle, no longer on the team, so I'm worried about his protection.
You know, I toyed with putting in Michigan State with Connor Cook coming back, but one of the sneaky teams on the ACC for me is with Deshaun Watson at quarterback is Clemson.
Yeah,
I mean, they're going to be tough. They have a lot of guys
Tigers, though.
They do. They
lose
all
the year
defense,
for
but I think
Clemson to
they'll
win.
The number 1